Hey everybody, we just celebrated Kelsey's birthday. Happy birthday, Kelsey.
Thank you.
And we're gonna be showing the R3 some love. So we're getting it cleaned up and we have some goodies for it. We got a new windscreen that will match the kind of Nebula Blue really well. And we've got some LEDs. I'm not quite sure, I don't have an opinion of this kit yet. I went with it because I liked the connectors they used. So we're gonna get that all unboxed and installed and have some fun. Man, we haven't had this thing this far apart yet. It's been a lot of work. What do you think? Are you traumatized?
A little bit.
Think it's ever going back together?
Well, yes.
It did go back together. Kelsey's playing with her new toy. There are a lot of different light modes. This actually looks pretty freaking sick.